My name is Sangeeta Shankar.
My name is Mahesh Raghavan.
I specialize in demystifying and decoding the musical arts, and I endeavor to pass this on to you in a very easy manner.
Crash course in music instructed by Dr. Sangeeta Shankar and Mahesh Raghavan. This comprehensive course promises to enhance your creations.
If ever your profession has something to do with music, then this course definitely has something for you.
Welcome to this beautiful musical journey with us.
This course has a lot to offer for you.
We'll start with the basics. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa.
And in Western music, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and a little more than that.
This entire thing are the 12 notes which are universal.
120 beats per minute. A half note will be 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, in Western music, that is called a time signature.
यानी गाना कैसे बनता है? 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 सा सा pa pa dha dha pa ma ma ga ga re re sa.
This is called a natural minor scale. The notes are C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, A flat, C.
This is Rag Bhupali.
So, what is a chord? A chord is simply a group of three or more notes played together. C, E, and G. These notes together form a chord.
तो तात और वितर is basically stringed instruments. ऐसे instruments जिसमें तार होते हैं. This is the sitar.
Now, what I have on the screen is the whole project of the song, which I created in Logic Pro. Each one of these tracks that I'm selecting, so each one of those horizontal lines is a different instrument.
From the same notes, with the same song structure, we can make different kinds of songs, which today is named as genres.
So I'm going to play you a piece of music. So we're going to be talking about some popular genres like blues, jazz, rock, and hip hop. And I'm going to play you a little bit of what a typical 12-bar blues structure would seem like.
Emotions, भावनाएं, दुनिया इसी पे चलती है साहब. 9 तरह के इमोशंस होते हैं जो सबको इफेक्ट करते हैं. भारत का लोक संगीत. जब हम भारतवर्ष के लोक संगीत के बारे में बात करते हैं ना, तो ये एक इतना विस्तृत विषय है कि उसका ना आदि है ना अंत है. इट्स जस्ट टू वास्ट.
बाट चलत नय चुनरी रंग डारी बाट चलत.
This is a digital audio workstation called Logic Pro. I have 3 different tracks. So I have one on top, which is the melody layer, one in the middle, which is the harmony layers. Now, the one at the bottom is basically the rhythmic layers. Now, if I were to play all of them together, they would form the whole song. So this is how it goes.
It is the words that touch people emotionally. तो रस, छंद, अलंकार, इन तीनों को लेके अगर लिरिक्स के ऊपर ध्यान दिया जाए, आपका साहित्य सही हो, आपका लिरिक्स स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, देन उसके अनुरूप जब आप संगीत बनाते हैं उसी छंद में और उसी रस में जिसमें कि कविता बनी है, ऐसी कृति, ऐसी निर्मिति जब बनेगी नो, सो दीज काइंड ऑफ क्रिएशंस, इट विल बी जस्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग.
We'll be doing a practical demonstration of whatever you've learned in this course.
How actually music is composed and recorded and arranged and completed.